from me to y'all to tell y'all how to make money. It doesn't matter. Brush your hair, fix your teeth, what you wear. Okay, hold up. Don't copyright me. Alright. No copyright. Cut it off for a second. No copyright or infringement intended. Alright? Just another the pain away. I can't sing. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Ah! What's up, y'all? What's up? Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Y'all seen this new thing at Popeyes? They done outdid they self. But hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and we gonna hop right into it. I didn't already did enough. So, but I'm talking a lot about these apps on how to make money. I'm telling y'all should go download them. And I'm getting a ton of questions, and it's kind of hard to answer every single one of you guys. Y'all, straight up how it works, no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm not no scammer, so let's get it. And I'm telling y'all that it's like I got money from these apps. Alright, so I record on my phone, so I'm gonna try best to show you on the iPad. The first app I'm going to show you, which is an app I have on here, is called the Dosh app. As you can see right now, I have $15 on here. So this app works by you get cash back on a lot of your purchases. I'm not going to say all your purchases, because some stores on here, only the stores that are on here are where you get purchases from. So they have, if you go out to eat, they have Chili's, Papa John's, they have a Landmark America, and those are some of the stores like around your way. Although they do have some online stores, so that's great. If you're an online shopper, you're going to get cash back on your purchases. Now, the only way you're going to get the cash back is by, if you tap this icon right here, it's called card, but you want to link your card as soon as you sign up for this app. If you don't link your card, you're not going to get any money when you start buying stuff. You're not going to get any money if you use a referral code when you first sign up, so you're not getting any money. So I truly suggest you link your card, and no, this does not take any money off of your account, none at all. And I have testimony there because I linked my card and no money came off, but money did go into my account, and I will show you guys right here. This is going to be proof. As you can see right there, it says 2018 cash back $125, lifetime cash back $125. So it's just like the same thing. So like this year, 2018, I made $125 with this app, and then lifetime cash, I made $125 with this app. Come on now, free money. I will also insert pictures of my PayPal and the money that's in there from this app right now. So this app is totally legit. I will leave all the links down below. It's called Dosh. This will be in the description, so make sure to click the link, download the app, sign up, and link your card. Link your card so that you get money. As soon as you sign up, as soon as you start buying stuff, you get cash back. Simple as that. Now, can I talk? You get money. It's actual money. You can just push transfer funds. Also, let me tell you guys about that. I've got questions on, how do I link the PayPal accounts. If you click on like the thing to press over, you're going to see it says credit and debit cards, bank accounts, and PayPal accounts. So you can press PayPal accounts and you can link your PayPal that way. or when you're ready to cash out, you can push transfer funds, and it's going to have all of these different options of where you want to put the money at. So that's great too. You don't have to just put it through PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, you can put it to your credit card. It's that simple. I'm like flabbergasted because, listen, this is real. In the past, I used to try all these apps. I'm like, I'm going to make money online. I used to try all these survey apps. None of that worked. None of that worked. That's scams. This is real. Who don't want some money? I do. Oh, word. I know y'all want some money too. Okay. Yeah. Now, getting on to the Sweatcoin app. So it's a Sweatcoin app. Okay, so the little pictures I have on here, I'm going to try to show you guys to the best of my ability. But this is the app. This is kind of what it looks like. It doesn't really look like this new. It does a little bit, but you know, it got an update and it looks a little bit different. But they have some great things on here, like great. They have the iPhone X, but as you can realize, there's only a few. But I mean, you still have great chances of being able to get one of these prizes. So they have iPhone X, they have PayPal Cash. Now with this app, you have to collect up a certain amount of coins to cash out. Or if you are lucky enough to become a Sweatcoin influencer, which I was, you get that by getting only a few referrals. Like if someone uses your referral link, you get to be a Sweatcoin influencer. You don't even have to do nothing. Like they'll just email you and they'll say you became a Sweatcoin influencer. Then your whole Sweatcoin kind of changes and looks a little cooler. So if you're a Sweatcoin influencer, I feel your vibe. And they also have, I know they have like a $214 PayPal cash out and a $450 PayPal cash out. And every day they have new things. So it's not like the same thing over and over. Like the PayPal cash stays the same in the iPhone X. And they also have like an airline ticket. And then you get even $1,000 PayPal. $1,000. Yeah, but you realize you gotta collect up the points. But as I would say, other than those things they have on there, they have other stores, like it's other pop-ups, like just like they had something about yoga, like yoga pants. It was like fitness stuff. Other than they don't not just fitness, you know, but like every day is like something new. So I feel like these are two great apps you guys should both go download. There's no reason that you should pass up free money. You really want to have multiple ways of making money. So I suggest you guys go in the description. I'm gonna make the links real obvious. And I suggest you guys go click them. Also, I suggest you guys go follow me on social media because that's where I talk about a lot of stuff. So if I'm not making videos on something, you can, you know, just see it on my social media platforms. So yeah. What else I want to say? I just want to say my makeup is on fleek. And my hair is on fleek. And my nails is did. My eyebrows is waxed. I got myself together. Oh, word. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye, my lovelies. Just